When the shaking stopped, another journey began. The first task was understanding what could be safely rebuilt. Roads reopened one section at a time. Restoring essential services became a priority. Water and electricity are the foundation of recovery. Infrastructure connects every community. Communication helped families reconnect. Recovery meant more than repairing buildings. It meant building with the future in mind. Engineering continues to evolve after every major earthquake. Each completed home represented a new beginning. Recovery belongs to entire communities. Returning to familiar routines brought renewed confidence. Small milestones carried great meaning. Economic life gradually returned. Every disaster teaches valuable lessons. Preparedness begins long before the next emergency. Readiness strengthens resilience. Education remains one of the most effective forms of protection. Life gradually returned. Recovery depends on many hands working together. Hope grows through shared effort. Every repaired street reflects determination. The earth continues to move. So does our understanding. Science helps communities prepare for tomorrow. Nature remains both beautiful and powerful. The future belongs to the next generation. Communities move forward together. Recovery is measured one day at a time. Every completed project represents renewed confidence. The landscape remains unchanged in many ways. The people who call it home continue writing its future. Neither does hope. Resilience is built, one community at a time. The earthquake changed buildings in moments, but the strength to rebuild will shape generations to come.